Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick video on how to utilize Edgidence as a test creator in your classroom. So this will be the same program we use for district assessments, but teachers have access to it to create teacher-made assessments utilizing some STAR questions that are already there in a database. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the district website, staff directory, and I'm going to pick resource links. And I'm going to click on Edgidence. And if you have it already bookmarked, then that's great. Okay, so once this dashboard loads, I'm going to go up to the waffle menu right beside my name, and I'm going to click on Assessments. So this is where TNL builds tests as well, and teachers have access to this. You just won't have access to our district drive of questions because we keep those protected. But you will have access to a lot of other stuff. So we're going to look down here at Question Bank first, just to kind of show you what's there and how to look up questions just utilizing this question bank. Pick your grade, pick your subject, okay, and then pick your SE. So I'm going to pick 3D because I know that's coming up in quarter 2 for 6th grade. Then I'm going to hit a search. So this is going to tell me every question that we have inside of this database. So you've got some STAR Streamline questions, then you've got a TINKS Bank question, and what you can do with these is clone them. So if I wanted to clone this question, I would click on this little recycle image, and now I have the question. I'm going to put it in a campus bank, that way anybody can look at this question and pull it into a test. Language, I'll just put English. Multiple choice, you can pick the reporting category, which will be 2. Answer is D, it's already set. The SE, remember we said it was 3D. Pick that, click off of that. Don't worry about the process standards. We're going to put a default here. That means anybody who sees this question can actually clone it. And then you can go in here and you can edit anything you would like. There is an equation editor, so if you wanted to take out that and put in an equation editor, it's right there. Looks like a little square root sign. So that's how you deal with a question, how to clone a question and find a question in the database. Once you're done, you can make sure you hit save. If you want to preview, you can also preview the question. It'll show you what it's going to look like when the kids look at it. From the preview, you can print. So if I was here on that preview and I go up here to File, Print, I can print this one question out that way once it loads, right there. So there is a way to print as long as you print from preview. So once you have, you know where your questions are and you know what's in that question bank, you can start to build a test. So I'm going to click Assessments, and I am going to search there, pick a new one. Okay. Over here where it says New Assessment, go away. New Assessment. Pick your campus. So for this I'm going to pick Young Women's because that's where I was today. I'm going to pick 6th grade. And math, you got to fill in the whole top. Give it a title, Fake Test. So Unit 1, Unit 2, whatever you want. It's definitely in English. CBA. Admin, don't worry about that because you're making your own. And then you can give your approaches, meets, and mastery scores. If you want to use STAR, those are going to be 39, 61, 79, 31. Oh, sorry, 39. 39. 61, 79. And you can find these on the conversion charts as well. Those are the cut scores. Total score. That'll be whenever you add questions. Allow previews, that means people can see it ahead of time. Assign students, resumable, and allow a review. So I wouldn't allow a review, and I definitely probably wouldn't allow previews right now if I was building this for a class. If I'm building it for anybody else to use, I need to allow previews. At this point, there are no questions in this test. Move me over here. And now we can do either new question, where you can build your own question, or select questions from those databases so you don't have to build your own questions every time. So let's go back to 3D, English, search. If I like this question, great. If I wanted to use it, but I don't want it to be part of the Streamlined, I would clone. Once it's done, I can just simply select that question, save, always save. Back to assessment, and there's the question. It's already added, the answer's there, everything is exactly what you need. Once you've added all the questions that you would like, you do need to save the test. Guys, that's it. That's the whole little quick thing about Edudence and how to build your own test within Edudence. It's always a good idea to have kids practice on the platform that they're going to be tested with a high stakes test. So having students test in Edudence is probably a good strategy. I hope this helps, guys. Take care and talk to you later.